Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to repair your Steam library folder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the main Steam interface appears, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down, select Settings. This will open up Steam's comprehensive settings panel where you can manage various aspects of your Steam client and game library. Once the settings window opens, you'll notice a left sidebar containing different categories. Click on Storage in this sidebar. The storage section is where Steam displays all your library folders and drives, allowing you to manage where your games are installed and how much space they're taking up. This is also where you can diagnose and fix issues with your library folders, which is exactly what we need to do today. Now you'll see a drop-down menu displaying your storage locations. Click on this drop-down menu and select the local drive you want to repair. This could be your main C drive or any secondary drive where you've installed Steam games. Choosing the correct drive is important because the repair process will specifically target the library folder on that particular drive, ensuring any corrupted files or configuration issues are resolved. After selecting your drive, look for the three dotted lines icon and click on it. This will bring up additional options for managing that specific library folder. From the menu that appears, select Repair Library. Steam will now begin scanning and repairing your library folder, checking for any corrupted files, missing data, or configuration problems that might be preventing your games from launching properly or appearing in your library. This process usually takes just a few moments depending on the size of your library and the number of games installed, and that's it. You've successfully repaired your Steam library folder, which should resolve most common issues related to games not appearing or launching correctly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.